In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your HubSpot deal pipeline. This guide will provide you with all the details you need to set up and tailor your deal pipeline in just a few minutes, ensuring you can manage your sales process with ease and efficiency. First things first, let's get started by logging into your HubSpot account. This step is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the HubSpot website and enter your login credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're successfully logged in, we can move on to the next step. At the top right corner of the HubSpot interface, you'll notice a settings icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will lead you to your account settings dashboard, where you have control over various aspects of your HubSpot account. It's helpful to remember that this is your starting point for most customizations you wish to make. Once you're in the settings, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. Look for the section labeled Data Management. Here, you'll see several options. What you want to do is click on the Objects drop-down. Within this drop-down menu, select Deals. By choosing Deals, you're going directly to the section where the magic of deal pipeline customization happens. Now that you're in the Deals section, under the Configure tab, you're presented with a variety of options to customize your pipeline. This area allows you to delete, add, rearrange, and rename the steps in your pipeline to better reflect the stages of your sales process. Take your time here to think about how each stage aligns with your actual sales activities and adjust accordingly. A well-organized pipeline can lead to smoother transitions between stages and a clearer overview of where each deal stands. After you've settled on the structure of your pipeline, it's time to update the deal probability. This feature is crucial as it helps predict the likelihood of deals closing based on their current stage in the pipeline. For each stage, assign a probability percentage that reflects its typical success rate. For example, you might find the initial contact stage has a lower probability than the negotiations stage. Tailoring these probabilities gives you a more accurate forecast of expected revenue from your pipeline. And there you have it. Just like that, you've customized your HubSpot deal pipeline to better suit your business needs. Remember, a personalized pipeline not only saves time, but increases the effectiveness of managing deals by providing a clear picture of your sales process. If you ever need to make further adjustments, simply revisit the steps we've covered today. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it leaves you feeling confident to dive into your HubSpot customizations.